Yeah. It's crack-a-lacking, my homies. My broski. Today, I'm just gonna do a start to finish on a track. And I'm pretty excited to actually show you this because this is gonna be actually kind of funny. Anyway. Oh.
Then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Just found this hit. Like a couple semitones down. Piano. Oh, being nasty. And we're gonna set some reverb on this real quick. And you know what time it is? You put this in like a dynamic. You see how I nearly got the sound in that? Yeah, see? Like I legit just put this sound in there. Just go on YouTube, create it in, right? Zoom in on this wavetable position, and then you set the LFO to the wavetable position and put a reverse slow with an envelope mode. As fast, it does have like some artifacts in it when you're doing it. You cut off. That's what the sound is like. Sound is a plucky sound. Okay, but we're not going to play around with it too much. I think that's how it goes. And all I did was I just kind of changed the sync window. A little bit of transient, or a little bit of it. And then also comes kind of next section as well. Okay, so for this, I want to get a reference track.
Yeah. Yeah.
145. Okay, I'm gonna just practice. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And I need the Soulja Boy acapella. Like the you. Yes, get in. And then I want some hi-hat rolls. So like, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put actual bass, the bass design itself. I don't know what I got going on here, but I think I'm
Soulja Boy, tell me. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soulja Boy, I've been it.
okay. It's a certified banger. Just for the intro bit, you might want to add like a high pass. Okay, what I want to think when we start out with is I'm going to add like a reverse kind of sweep. It's a certified classic. This is a certified classic. Supermassive is free. Valhalla Supermassive is cool. Perfect. I set this to resampling. resample it, and then I'm gonna feed it back into itself. Yeah, even add like a gate. I'm thinking like okay, this is free in the Kilohearts. This is okay. I'm serious. This is legit. This is legit. Every producer's best kept secret. Every trance producer, every hard house dance producer, they like to keep this one. Cause I've been keeping this one too, and I've been showing you guys this. This VC is free in the Kilohearts Essentials Bundle. Trance Gate. Look, just listen to this. Yes. Oh, okay. So this is a good idea for another one. Is you hold control, Command I, then you just want to put this to like 1 bar, and then this inserts just a single bar, so that way you can add really cool pre-drop elements to your tracks. It's like, you know, the DJs, they might add like the fake out drop, and I'll link my fake out drop tutorial as well in the showcast, so that way you can see how the pros do it. And I've got like heaps of other effects in another tutorial, so you guys should definitely check that one out. But I'm gonna show you quickly this here, but I don't want to reiterate on too much.
Boy, tell.
We're gonna do a reverse crash, I reckon.
Soulja Boy, tell.
Yeah.
Soulja Boy, tell.
Flip it. We're gonna do another one. Control I. I'm thinking like this is too good to be in this like start of the track, so it might be in the second verse. I'm gonna add it in. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something kind of left field. I do this all the time, guys, and you should be doing this. Freeze and flatten track. Okay, so see. And then we're gonna do the same thing. Add so much groove. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough cool techniques. Yo, this is finished product. What could it be?
Soulja Boy, tell. Soulja Boy, tell. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. Just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Hey guys, this is Editing Brain here. I am so sorry for the mic quality in this. I'll make sure I have it fixed for the next time. We just keep on cutting out because of my compression settings. If you guys have made it this far, well, thank you guys for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to drop me a like and a subscribe. And I'll be making more based on your thoughts and your comments down below. Talking for a long time. Peace out. Also, oh yeah, let me know what you would like me to make in sample pack 2. Because I listen to you feedback and what I can improve and stuff. And yeah, I'm so stoked to be making these videos.